Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka seng Congress na Gambe Grey constituency Saleng sangma haba juba malor ka jingthau thamaya ka committee nga banta banya kran halor ka roster system but ka reservation policy ulaong ka ay ka sarkar ka le kalong ka babyang na markin la banya kran but poi ka jingas ngotho jingmut ulaong ru bahaga Jylla ki don lai tali ki reolom ki babon breu ki khasi jantia but garo haswa bandon ka Meghalaya Ïakhun ka Jingïatylli ki khasi jantia bat garo ban yo lakajong ka Jylla ka Jylla Assam ulaong ru babaro ki Ïakhun melon tanggawe hapo ke APHLC mentada da ki jantia ki dawa baki kwa ya ka baha la jong hangne ka ei ka bangi Ïakhun ka benta ka Meghalaya lai ha ka wei menta kan long bahapo ki khasi kin se Ïakhun ar la ka wei Hagaro Hills ru ladaki atong ki Ïakhun bat penpau baki kwa lakajong ka baha kumne shibon ki jinge kin mi ulaong ula benrap ru daga baong kan baha bandon prapo persen ka bandai ka Jylla Meghalaya baro ka wei ban ngimdai ban punduna na ka ei ka bangi don na pedeng ki reolom ai ki bale baha kin yo ngimdai ban ong khasi jantia garo ladapi ong kumta na reolom garo ki don tang langut ki menteri bat ki wei de na khasi bat jantia haga jingdon jong u ka politics na rilom garo ki don bet tang ar ne langut ki menteri na rilom garo ngide ban long ka wei ngam sngo bangade u khasi ne garo sngo bangade u nong Meghalaya ngi baro ngi long ka wei bat gane gade headquarter ngide ban sngo bangilong ka wei lada don ki bas sngo do kumwei pat kade ban don ka ei ka ban pen bha kamtam lada don gino ki jinge ka bha ba ka sarkar ka ailat banyakren halor ka reservation policy.
I think if the state government has accepted the extensions of committee, the rooster committee for discussing the reservation policy, I think it's okay, it's healthy because discussion will always bring to some kind of a conclusion. Now, for example, now we have three major tribes, that is Jaintia, Khasi and Garo. Now, before Meghalaya, we fought unitedly. Khasi, Garo and Jaintia, we fought unitedly to bring the separate state from the Assam, right? There was no Khasi, Garo, Jaintia. We were all united. All People's Party, something like that, APHLC, okay? Liberation Party. So right now, if tomorrow, again, now, for example, major tribe, we've got three. If tomorrow, like Jaintia started asking, we want separate reservation, again, the way we have fought for Meghalaya, 3 in 1. Now, Jaintia and Khasi, they're fighting 2 in 1. Now again, if the Jaintia comes back again, tomorrow, if we want, now from Garo Hills also, if Atong fights for like, Atong also want some separate from the South Garo Hills. Because Atong is a different, dialect they have. We don't know what, some of them they doesn't know. So we've got lots of different tribes even in Garo Hills also. So likewise. But it's a good thing that 80% is for our tribe. And then it should be for the Meghalayan also. It should not reduce. This is what I want. I have also already talked about it before also. And I'm still talking about, amongst our tribe, major tribe, let the best one get. Whoever, needs to get it. Now, for example, now in Meghalaya, now for example, when we talk about Khasi, Garo, we should not talk like that. Now, here in Meghalaya, now for example, if you talk like that, now we have only 3 ministers in whole of Meghalaya, Garo from Garo Hills. One is Chief Minister and 2 other ministers from the Garo Hills. In my whole career as a politician, I have seen only 1 or 2 ministers from Garo Hills. During Dr. Muku's time, there was only 2 ministers from Garo Hills. Himself and his own brother. In last whole 5 years also, Chief Minister and his own brother. Only 2 Garo ministers. We've got lots of Khasi Jaintia ministers we have. We are all one. I don't feel it that way. I don't feel that I'm Garo, I'm Khasi. I feel like I'm Meghalayan only. So this is a headquarter. It's good for everybody. But if somebody is feeling something, there should be some kind of a reason to, solve the problem. There should be always there should be some solution for any ongoing crisis actually. So what I feel is that like it's a good thing that the government has extended the resolution. I mean the committee for the resolutions of reservation. I think that is fine. It's not a big thing. It's a good thing that this government has extended at least the extension for the rooster committee. That's a good thing. It's a good move. At least even right now, there should not be any what do you call this one, the infliction in the mind of anybody. Otherwise, oh, he is such and such person. He is such and such person. So that kind of addiction will be there, and then started creating the hatredness amongst each other, which is very bad. It's not a good sign at all. I want to be Meghalayan, I'm Meghalayan, so we should love each other. And then we have fought unitedly for the Meghalaya, and then we still be fighting the outsider entity right now. Now, for example, last time we were so happy that one of the Meghalayan got through the UPSC examination, at least one. But he is not Garo, not Khasi, not Jaintia. Though I feel so sorry. But we have to be happy because he's Meghalayan. What to do? We have to accept the truth. But what we want is that I want Khasi, I want Garo, I want Jaintia to crack through the UPSC. So we should fight for this kind of situation. I mean the education system is very bad within the state of Meghalaya. So these are the areas where we have to fight. Now we have to fight about the unemployment within the state. How many private institutions are there? How many private corporates are there? Whether these private corporates are employing our people or not, we have to check them. Now for example, in Nigrims, we have to fight for the 50% of them. How many Garos, Khasis and Jaintias are being allowed to go for a training in Nigrims as a doctor? What are the percentage? Those we should fight. And then we should fight for whatever, how many in the aims, how many of our local peoples are getting inside the aims. So all those things, I mean to say IIM, Shillong, all those things we have to discuss it. It's a good thing to discuss anything, but at least there should be a solution for it.